Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by powering on the HP Chromebook X360 and connecting to Wi-Fi. This gives you access to Chrome OS updates and Cloud Sync. Once done, sign in with your Google account so apps, settings, and files automatically sync. Make sure the system updates. Open Settings, go to About Chrome OS, and click Check for Updates. Installing updates now prevents later interruptions. Finally, enable automatic backups in Google Drive so your files stay safe while you continue setup. Next, customize the X360 for how you use it. Adjust display brightness, touch sensitivity, and screen rotation in settings under Device so tablet mode feels natural. Once configured, enable Google Play to install Android apps and then visit the Chrome Web Store for extensions. This expands functionality quickly. Make sure app permissions match your privacy preferences and pin frequently used apps to the shelf for one-tap access. These steps optimize both laptop and tablet modes for daily use. Finish by enabling Chrome Sync, creating a quick unlock PIN, and setting up Smart Lock with your phone so you move faster through sign-in. Test tablet and laptop modes, calibrate touch and stylus input, and inspect the 360 degrees hinge for smooth movement. If performance or connectivity problems appear, reboot first. If persistent, run a power wash to reset Chrome OS or check battery diagnostics in settings to isolate hardware faults. These final checks keep the device reliable and ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.